Hello, kumusta ka?
I'm okay.
Nice to see you. You're so guapa. Do you still want to marry me or no? How are you? How old are you?
Oh,
How old are you?
21.
Tim, you're so beautiful.
No, I'm not.
But you're Filipina, right?
Yeah.
But you look a little bit like Chinese.
I get that.
But you're not, right?
No, I'm not.
Mm. Where are you going?
I'm just gonna go back to my house.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Need to do what's your name?
My name is Siim. Aju, kumusta ka? Kira, kumusta ka? So we're gonna go cut the hair. I don't have much time.
Summer is back.
Yeah, give me a kiss. Oh, okay, baby girl. Where's my motorcycle keys?
Huh? Maybe you can buy me the vitamin.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, here.
Okay, baby boy. Bye-bye. See you soon. What? What's up?
Give me attention a little bit.
What's up, baby boy? See you soon. Give me Papa a kiss. Come here. Bye-bye.
Let's go sleep na. Let's go.
Bye, baby boy. Tema, I was thinking in the morning that we thought we're gonna start drinking the coconut every day. Yeah, right. Do we have fuel? Oh yeah, we have a little bit. What the hell? So guys, we are in the barber shop. Hello. Oh, good morning. How are you? I bring you light otsa. I bring you the light otsa.
Light?
Yeah, I was so busy last week. I couldn't come. How long did you cut my hair? 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah, I came here to 12:15. It's 2:05. Yeah, we were just chatting too much. But yeah, it looks good. Guys, take this. Damn, it's so in it. Just give you money, otsa. But how much do you charge? How much do you charge usually? 200. But I'm a foreigner, I give 500. Yeah, support. Thank you boss so much. Yeah. See you next time, see you next week. Hello sir, kumusta ka? Can I have 95? Full. Kumusta? Mokera. Okay. Yeah, very good. In it. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah, me also. It's so hot, guys. So we're gonna go to the Ever Mall, or I think it's the Ever Mall, something like this. Hello, miss. Kumusta ka? Hey, you're so guapa. Oh my God, she's going here now. I'm embarrassing myself. Hello, miss. Kumusta mo?
Hello, sir.
Do you have a case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Red or pink color?
Yeah, naon siyo na.
Wait, siya. Ay, ikaw sa Jut.
Same, because I think I will take this one because this one have like a silicone, you know.
It's just okay this one last week?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
What's wrong with this?
It's a name.
Bro.
Like,
Okay.
but same. It's
Okay.
Just okay lang.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Pila.
399.
Okay, thank you so much. That's a watch repair. Hello, sir. Kumusta ka? Boss, what's wrong with my watch? Okay, thank you, boss. Yeah, there's something wrong with my watch. It's like it will wait 5 seconds, then it's gonna go.
Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Your change?
Yeah, thank you so much. Salamat. Bye-bye. Let's see. Okay. Let's put the new one. Sorry? Yeah, whatever. Miss, are you a student? What are you then? Why are you here? Why are you here?
I'm not a student. I'm senior high school graduate.
Is that your father? Okay.
My coworker.
Okay. Is it okay now? Oh, really? Oh, wow. Damn, that's so nice.
Kaya baka mahulog yung ano niya, yung glow dyan, yung bilog.
I don't ever want to come to the downtown with the car. That would be just so bad. Oh, wow. That's how they do it here. Wow. I want to buy the grape that I bought in Manhuya. Damn, it was so good. It looks like this. Damn, look how big it is. It's just crazy. Yeah, look. Oh my goodness. Damn, that's crazy. Wow. Then let's take this. Yeah. Hello, miss. Kamusta ka? 215, right? 215. Let me have this. Oh my goodness, finally home. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. That's a very cute coconut. Look at this and taste this.
It's grapes, right?
Yeah, look at this, how big it is. Just try one. Damn, it's so good. That's crazy, right?
Oh, wow.
It's so good, right?
Thank you.
Welcome. It's so good.
Wow.
That's crazy, right?
What is grape, right?
It's from Australia,
Oh, that's so good.
yeah.
Then imagine if it's cold.
Yeah.
It's good, right?
Yeah. Then just look how big it is. Look at this. Wow. Damn, that's so good.
Damn, I think I can eat all of it.
Yeah. Damn, it's so good.
Ah, thank
Yeah.
you.
Temporary.
Is it the right one? Finally, I got kissing. Get the
What's up? Welcome.
Mwah!
Let me take the baby.
Okay, take him. Oh, it's so nice weather outside.
Come here. Come here, you little. 1, 2, 3. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Happy?
He's sleeping.
You're sleepy, huh?
Look how many small animals in the floor here.
Yeah. So much toys, huh? It's full again.
Huh?
It's full again.
It's full
Let's change the
again.
diaper.
If it was...
Oh my god, you have so many bites here also.
Where?
Here.
Oh, wow.
Then you let him to get so much bitten.
That's why he cannot sleep.
Oh my goodness.
Because we was outside. When was it? Last night, I think.
Wow.
Oh, wow, I break the toys.
What do you mean you break this?
Here. No, I break it.
It's okay.
I break it.
Let's change the diaper. Oh my goodness, guys, check this. Those people, I think they have a fiesta here or what? Hello, miss, kamusta ka? Do you have a fiesta?
What?
Do you have fiesta?
Fiesta here?
Yeah.
I think it's this coming September 6, no?
Ah, okay. So soon. Okay, that's so nice. Oh, you have so many dogs here. Let's go terrorize the dogs. Hiyo. Hello, good afternoon. Kamusta ka?
I'm okay. How about you?
I'm okay ra, mapuite. Mapuite. Oh, it's so smoky.
It's very lamuking.
Oh, you are doing this.
Yes, because of the mosquito over here.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, what is this?
This is my house.
But where are the walls?
What?
Where are the walls?
No, it's not. It's not finished yet.
Oh, really?
Still panday-pandayins.
How big is the budget?
We don't have any budget.
No.
We will just
Just slowly.
Yes, every sahod.
But,
We'll just buy some materials of it.
But where do you live right now?
What?
Where do you live? Oh, here.
Here. No, it's Sira Inns.
Okay.
That's why we make another one.
Can I go inside?
Yes, of course.
It's so clean.
Yes, that's me.
Yeah, you're taking good care already.
Yes, because that's my house.
So what is this room?
That's our kitchen soon.
Ah, okay. And that's your...
That's our CR.
Oh, wow.
This is the door over here.
Okay.
Because it's not yet taon-taon.
Oh my God.
Just touring around the Dumaguete?
Yeah, but I've been here many times.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I see you first time.
Yes, also you. I see you first time.
How old are you?
I'm just 21.
So young.
Yes, I have already 2 kids.
Then you're like a machine. You start early.
Yeah, at the age of 18.
Then that's crazy.
Yes, sir. She has already 3 kids. Oh,
Crazy.
careful.
Why?
Because of the dogs. Many dogs biting you.
I'm biting. Me, I will bite. Okay, bye-bye. Ayo! Kumusta mo? What's up? What are you guys doing? Scrap metal.
To recycle.
Oh really? Tim, I remember you.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember you.
We go there.
Oh wow. So that's your work? Tim, I'm sure his fingers will hurt at the end of the day. Yeah. I've done this also before when I was kid.
Yes.
Yeah. So you guys do this every day or what?
No, sometimes.
Hello miss, kumusta ka? Are you working also? You do also trabajo?
Trabajo.
Yeah, that's it. Kamay negosyo. Kumusta mo? Are you guys hungry? Are you hungry? Let me buy you a food. Hello miss, kumusta ka?
Hello.
What do you want? What do you want? Paktali. This, you want hot dog? Okay. Everybody wants hot dog maybe. How many hot dog do we buy? Pila. What do you mean one? Who's 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we need to buy more? Let's buy 6. Maybe there's gonna be more kids. Miss, can we buy 6 hot dogs? Yeah. Take. Take it. Come on, take it. Take everything. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. You also. 5. Hello, kumusta ka?
I'm okay.
Nice to see you. You're so guapa. Why your skin is so white?
Because I put sunscreen.
Aray.
You buy shumai?
Yeah, of course. You want?
Yes.
Okay, I will buy.
This all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. Are you hungry?
Yes. Polo.
Miss, I order hot dogs.
Yes, but I have to cook this
First.
first.
Oh wow. It
Wait
looks
a
nice.
minute, your hot dog.
Yeah. Who is ordering that?
My friend
Okay. Where's your friend?
over there.
This one.
No, that's my sister.
Okay. Miss, are you shy? Are you shy? But miss, do you have anybody single in this place?
Many.
Where are they?
Where they?
Where are all the single women?
I don't know.
You don't know? Miss, who's single? Who's ready to mingle?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
Oh my god,
One
guys,
more.
look at this. Our guapa chef is
Thank you.
feeding the kids. Yeah. Oh my god. Sauce otsa. First come, first serve. Yeah, you're welcome.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, wala na yung longganisa, no. Hi guys.
How are you? How old are you?
Oh,
How old are you?
21.
Tim, you're so beautiful.
No, I'm not.
But you're Filipina, right?
Yeah.
But you look a little bit like Chinese.
I get that.
But you're not, right?
No, I'm not.
Where are you going?
I'm just gonna go back to my house.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Need to do what's your name?
My name is Sim.
Sim?
Yeah, Sim, like SIM card.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
a really rare name.
Why you do like this? Like Japanese? Are you Japanese?
No, I'm not. It's just a habit.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. You are very beautiful.
No, I'm not.
Are you single?
No.
You're not single?
Yeah.
Your boyfriend is very lucky.
No.
Yeah. But where's your...
First time seeing you here.
But I've been here many times.
Oh,
What is this?
It's oil,
Pila.
cooking oil.
Pila.
20.
20 pesos.
20 each.
La la la. We're waiting the food. Yeah, I will have the dust burger.
Food is coming.
Yeah. Guys, look at this. Guapa Barbie. Wow.
That Barbie.
Jesus. So I will go take a shower.
Are you good?
Yeah, I will go take a shower.
Damn, why we have so much
Kumusta ka?
Oh my God.
Yeah. Woo! Look at this. Wow. Them so good, right?
Oh wow. Damn, I got the crispy one.
Yeah. Them fries are so good.
Wow. That's so good.
Baby,
Ah,
can I have too big?
the big yeah. Wow.
That's unbelievable.
It's nice to order it in these days. Just not Saturday and Sunday.
Wow.
Looks so nice.
Look at this, guys. Kumusta ka? Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. Some kind of
Pancit.
pancit,
Try it.
vegetables. No, I don't want.
Why not?
And you have a
coconut?
chicken here also.
The native chicken. The
Native chicken.
first one is the
It looks yummy.
neck.
Pila,
This
pila.
one?
Yeah, your food pila.
600.
600.
Yeah, with the delivery, of course. Try this.
Okay.
Tomato.
Goat.
Spinach. Water spinach.
Okay, your goat.
Ooh,
Spaghetti.
Pancit.
How is it?
Not so good.
Not so good.
Yeah.
I tried the chicken also.
I tried this chicken.
Look at
Native chicken.
Skinny bone, no meat.
Because it's native chicken.
You like it?
Oh my god, it's so good.
No, baby, I don't want. I'm so full.
Oh wow. Oh my
So
god.
guys, that was the day. I really hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and guys, as always, see you in the next video. Bye bye.